having it on the Advantech computer. This is great for both data collection and deployment in industrialized hardened computer.
And yeah, that's how I heard about Advantech, and that's why we're here today. So our software runs inside the Advantech box.
A leader-follower setup, a dev kit.
Qualcomm Dragonwing Visual Inspection. This is the iCAN 300 by Advantech with a Qualcomm 6490 inside.
So that's what the ARM is doing, and everything is running on the Advantech AFP R750 board.